Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
Hey, guess what? It's quick tip time, right?
Quick tip time.
Quick
so
tip.
let's make it quick.
Let's do it. Okay, like, subscribe, ring notification bell.
Tell your friends. Check out our merch.
They're like, can they just do it that fast every time?
Right. we'll try.
All right, guys. Quick tip. We're going to do a little interior detailing today. And the main stars of this show right now is this really soft Cockpit brush. We use this to scrub the seats. And then when you use one of these, put on a little bit of...
All right, here we go. Today we're going to use Adams Polish's Leather and Interior Cleaner.
That's what we're going to scrub with and clean the seat.
Okay.
And then we're going to, after we've cleaned it and wiped it off, we are going to add that.
The leather and interior dressing.
And we'll use that with the nice foam applicator. This happens to be a Turtle Wax branded applicator. Use your favorite.
We have a lot of favorite brands. We don't discriminate here.
That's right.
On Pure Octane Garage.
So we just want to show you how easy this is.
Yeah.
So let's move into the truck.
Let's get right to it, guys.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place some of this interior leather and interior cleaner on the seat. We're just going to do a little portion of the seat real quick. Upholstery on this seat is right here. And this is kind of just a vinyl, not an actual leather, but this works on that as well. So give it a good shake. And what I like to do is just this nice foaming action. You just kind of squirt it all over the area you're going to work on. Set that down.
Oh, I like that foaming applicator. That's pretty cool.
And then we've got our brush here.
Super soft,
just
right?
Kind of start super soft. You wouldn't want to use something stiff because you'll mar up your interior. Look at that. See how soft it is? I can just push right into it. Kind of get in there, dislodge all that dirt. You see how it works on the... Yeah, you got a little concentration right there, but you get the idea. Maybe use more of a mist would be better for that area. It just needs a little more.
It's a little dry.
It's starting to dry quickly, of course, right?
Yeah, it is warm, so...
See, you can kind of get in there. Again, this is vinyl, guys. It would work on leather just fine. Leather's tough still, too. But I would test spot it on leather.
Yeah, definitely test the spot. Good advice, Brandon. Good advice.
We'll go ahead and wipe that up.
Okay, so you're wiping it?
Wipe it up. Check that out. So there, clean that up. And then next we just move.
That is nice and clean.
Nice and clean. Let's move to a dressing. Now, it is called the dressing, as I use my middle finger. Sorry, guys. But anyways, this is a matte finish, just so you guys know. I don't like a super shiny, so you'll see the matte finish that this puts on. And obviously, we're not going to put this on the upholstery. This just goes on the vinyl area here.
Okay.
All right, so you got your nice applicator. See how easy it is to put that on with an applicator? Wipe that right in. And that's that. Check that out.
Ooh, there you go. That looks great.
And then let that dry. You can do two things. You can let it dry, or you can buff it off. Just give it a nice buff it right off.
Personally, I like to buff it down a little bit.
I do too. I generally will always just kind of give it a nice buff down.
Look at that nice clean sheen.
See? Look at that. As a hand model that for you guys.
Cool.
All right, so that's that. Hey, bonus quick tip real quick we want to talk about.
Oh, yeah.
The Lilly brush. This thing, if you have pet hair, will help you. It will save you.
What is that?
So it's got a nice silicone blade all the way around it, right?
Yep.
All right, we're going to go in a little tight here, Ryan.
Okay.
There's not a ton of pet hair in here right now, but I don't know if you can catch that. There's a little bit right here, right?
Oh, yeah. Actually,
okay, so yep. I'm going to block the light a little bit. I'll brush it this way so you guys can kind of see how it just pulls the hair away. See that?
Yes.
Look at that. And now you got this nice little bit of hair. See? Just really makes it easier.
Does it stick to the blade at all?
It'll a little bit. Really, the best thing to do, it gets it all to one area for you.
There we go.
See how it gets it to one area for you?
Oh, I see. Yep.
And then you can run your vacuum right there or whatever you want to pick it up with. It definitely helps.
Perfect.
Get deep into those carpet fibers.
Nice. Look how soft that silicone is.
Yeah, it just bends right there. You wouldn't have thought there was that much lint and hair stuff.
Oh yeah, what the heck,
on
man?
that carpet. All right, guys. Quick tip, right?
Quick tip.
There it is. Hope you guys like that. Hope it helps you clean your interior a little better. You pick up one of these brushes. I think you can get these on Amazon. I know Adam sells them too, of course.
Yeah, we'll find them and put a link down in the description.
Hey, that's a good idea. We should do that for everybody. All right, guys. Appreciate you washing
your car and watching us.
Yeah, do it at the same time. No, don't. Anyways, all right. That's it for the quick tip today. We'll see you guys in the next video.
See ya.
Later.